So how do you change the color and light in the Lightroom on a iPhone? Let's get started. So if you're new on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe because I have so many tutorials which are most definitely going to help you out, right? So whenever you open up the Lightroom, you can import the pictures from your gallery, obviously those which you want to edit, right? And you can perform some changes to them. But the way that you do this is by locating the sliders below, right? So you can tap on the light and all of these sliders for exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, and blacks will be turned on, right? So you can see it right there in the real time as you are sliding it, right? But then you switch to the color and you have like the general temperature and vibrance and all of that. But a lot of people really go to the color mix, and that's like my favorite part about the Lightroom, because in there I can change the hue, saturation, and lightness for all of the colors of the spectrum, right? So there's like these 8 colors which you can change 3 sliders for. So as you can see, there are plenty of combinations to end up with the perfect looking color grading, right? So you can even look up some of the tutorials. Like in the past, I used to be like editing my photos in the teal and orange style, right? So I would just, set these specific values for my hue, saturation, lightness in here, and I would end up with a nice shot, right? So it's like a very nice way of adjusting the colors, which is simply not available in the Photos app, and that's what makes the Lightroom so powerful, right? So that's how you can do this. Obviously, you need to know which style you're going after. Personally, if I'm not like aiming for any specific result, I just play around with these, to see what looks nice. So that's definitely a nice strategy as well. So let me know if it worked out well for you. Most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one in the future. And I'll see you later in the next upcoming videos.